Okay, so I'll assign a task to make payment for 2020. Is this on? I'm just gonna do it now, actually. I'm just gonna assign a task now and get this done by the end of the week. It's such a small balance. Let's just take care of it. All right. If you'd like to look at some charts. I'm live if anyone would like to look at some charts. All right. Hmm. Okie dokie. Let's pull this up. So what? Can you guys hear me all right? What should we look at first? All right, so I am on, this is NQ, this is ES. I was actually long and I exited at the top here. Long exited, long exited. It looks, so you want to look at NDX. All right, let's look. This is the same chart. So, I mean, it looks bearish, but to me, it looks like it's building a base. It'll probably retest this 20. There's a gap, isn't there? I look at just NQ is the same. Um, so what I did, I drew out these boxes. I like these boxes because the dotted line is 50% of it. So if I look at the gap, right, made on Friday, October 24th, gapped up Monday, October 27th, right? We are filling, that is about half the gap, isn't it? That is almost like exactly half of the gap it's filled. I'm still bullish on the market. I think I mean, I think it could come down probably to this pivot area, which is 25,611. So I guess we can mark that out, 25,611 as a pivot area. So 25,611, I'm going to set an alert. And then pivot area before gap fill. So when I look, I like to use these moving averages too. So when we look at the hour chart, the 50 EMA is all the way up at 25, basically 950. So that's probably going to be the resistance. 5 minute, looking at 25,745. When I look at the 1 minute, this is for scalping. Making a lower low, but RSI is looking like it's not. I like to look at the chart on ES compared to NQ. Might bounce here. Another thing you can look at is this tick chart. So basically all it does is just it goes back and forth when it's oversold, like on this basically 700 to 1,000. It's a good time to go long. When it's below 700, it's a good time to go long. When it's above 700, good time to go short. And if you look at it, it's like it only goes back and forth between those levels. So right now would probably be a good time to go long. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm using these micro mini contracts. Oh, I probably shouldn't use an hour there. Probably should use like a 5 minute. So when I look at NQ, and I like ES on here, broke below. So this was a bear flag, broke below. Now it looks like it's going to come back up and retest. I'm just scalping for educational purposes. But on this chart, the orange line is the 9 EMA, usually goes back towards that. 5 minute. Probably take profit there. Right? It's just scalping, which looks like it's going to hit that area again. Anything else you want me to look at? So NQ, done. Level for gap, fill at the 25,550 level, but currently half filled. Okay, so it could bounce That doesn't look good there. Hmm. So these are micros. Doesn't look good. That doesn't look good either on the, what is this, a 5? So probably go below this and go lower, right? This account I have for the day, like 500, so it's eating into my profits. But it seems to be bouncing off this level, huh? This level is significant at all? Hmm. This is lower, this is higher. Hmm. Yeah, it's looking, I mean, this is 1, 2, 3. It'll probably come back up to test the 5-minute EMA sometime. It could sell off, but anything else you want me to look at? I got 10 seconds on the 5. Let's look at the 15 actually. Hmm, that's a level right there. So opening range low, if this closes below this level where I bought, um, it'll probably go much lower. And what's the range on it? Hmm, 50% of the opening range, and all the orb is just the opening 15-minute candle, the high, the low. That's what this is saying. Opening range high, opening range low. Hmm. Which to me, it's looking more bullish now for this. It doesn't look bullish, but it looks like it's um, like flattening. That's not good on a 5. Mm, it's going lower. Hmm. That's odd. That made, well, that's lower now, but pivot is holding on NQ. When was this now? Maybe now. All right. Yeah, maybe bottoming now. Let's look at what the tick chart's doing. No. Hmm. Got 2 minutes on this, which needs to like close above here. Hmm. Hmm. Just trying to push. 14. Hmm. I might exit. Yeah, I don't like that it's closing below this doji. It's indecision. Now instead of indecision, it is, well, okay, now it's above it. Hmm. Okay, it closed above it. Okay, so now it's probably going to keep going up. At least to there. Um, yeah, I want to get out of this. Doesn't look very well. Mm, all right, let's get out of it. All right, so made like $50. The reason I am out is because this bear flag did pan out when I did that. It is retesting it, and now it looks like it might go lower. So I'm happy to get a little profit. Um, anything else to look at? You want me to look at Apple? Let's look at Apple. All right, so that's right. Apple is strong. Hmm. But on that hour, Yeah, I don't like that. So Apple is strong, but on the hour, it looks like Head and Shoulders. All right. Yeah, it's looking. Yeah, I should have gone short. What I should have done is reverse my position. But it's good. I got out with a profit. That's fine. It's making a new low of day, right? Hmm. Right there would be good to go long, but um, mm, let's look. Hey, nice seeing you. Nice hearing from you, Kenny. Let's look. If you're still on the live, I'll look at options activity now on Apple. So Apple. Okay. It's the most dominated contract on Apple. Um, yeah, 270. Where are we? So APL, look on the hour. I mean, they're buying at the money, but I mean, this could be, that is such large volume. All right, let's look at Heikinashi. I mean, it's still, everything is still bullish. If you're on the weekly, there's that gap. Um, Drew that. That would have been the perfect short. Let's see, weekly. I mean, it could go down all the way to the 40 level, right? 45 is where. No. Actually, this, yeah, 50 level, psychological level on Apple, but Apple's strong on a down market. Someone's buying calls. Let's look at unusual options activity. See what's going on there. This is interesting here. I was looking to buy these calls actually, because someone bought 20,000 of them. Uh, AGNC. AGNC. It's at 10. Yeah, it's not that much movement. Wow, that was a big reversal. Yeah, 50%. 50% of that gap. Not that much. Well, just bounced. How many points is that? 30, 40, 50. Yeah, it's very bullish now. If I look on the 15, it's, yeah, bullish pin bar. Mm, bullish. Yeah, bullish. Did 50% of that move. It's astonishing. You have one. Hey, how's it going? All right, probably shouldn't have gotten in this, but only 2 micros. Nothing crazy. We'll probably come back down here and retest it. What should we look at? Hmm. All right. Um, what's your take on Palantir? Thinking of going 2 weeks out. Puts 170. Well, let's look. Let's look. PLTR. Calls. Smith dominated contract. Wow. 130 million. So, I don't know. 170. What date? TLTR, 2 weeks out. So like the 21st. Puts. I mean, there's a lot of open interest there. 160, 170. There's a lot of open interest. Oh, alert. Is that a pivot area? I mean, it'll probably go down there. Pivot area before gap fill. Okay, so it'll bounce there. Gap fill is down here. It's another 100 points, but November 14th. Those were November 21st. Let's look at the 14th. What I'll only do is I'm just like looking on the options chain. I don't know if you can see that. Just seeing where it says open interest. Most open interest is the 160, 3,700, or 115, but they're dirt cheap. I mean, that's probably, I mean, it's not going to, well, 115, I doubt it's going to go there. It's way too low. 170 is all right. 2,100 and some change open. 180s have 3,800. It's probably a safer bet, but I mean, it should be all right, but I have no idea. I mean, I'm bearish on the market, even though I'm bullish right now in a bounce. Probably go up here. That's not good. That's bearish on the ES. ES will probably try to take out this. Oh, we're on a 30-minute chart. I mean, half hour. Hope that helped. Did that help? Most volume and 70s. I mean, I don't know. Kind of want to get out of these. Probably should have. It's 15. It's all the way up there. I didn't even look at what the flow is today. It should probably be better. SPY. 76. What's SPY at? SPY should, well, but this is all bearish flow. Bearish flow. Couldn't go higher, huh? go higher. VIX is high. Set an alert here. Oh, right back down, damn. Touched the 5, didn't it? Damn it. Should have got out. Oh, sorry, 180s, 180s. Hesitated. It just made the lower low. What's low? 798.70. No, it's an equal low. Hmm. Hmm. It's probably gonna go lower. Taking that loss. Still 270 for the day. I'll just wait. Hmm. Hmm. Just don't know where to get this short. Hmm. All right. Yeah, okay, now I'm short. MNQ short 25, 6, 22, 10 micros, targeting low of day. Did I take a $300 loss? Another one? Right there would be the first buy. All right, cool. Really, I'd like this pivot to take all of it. I'm at 5. I was at 550, I think. It's going lower. Wait for the like. What am I at now? Okay, so I made my money back. Now I'm at nice. Fine with that. My money back. Set low a day. Happy with that. Yeah, it's right there, the pivot. All right. My profit target hit. No position now. Wow. Whoa. Just went right back up. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, I like maybe longs. Oh yeah, definitely. I think I got out of those now. That looks good. Um, didn't hit my target. Very happy with that. Yes, I think short selling is over. Hmm. It's a 15-second. Yeah, I like longs. Gaps don't need to fill. Yeah. Wow. Should have went long. I mean, I did buy right there. Wow. Hmm. 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 I'm so tempted to take a trade, but Hmm. It looks great. Wow. It's quick. All right, we looking at anything else? Oh, wow. 23. Wow, 2 Sigma move. It's past that, right? Weekly. Uh, hmm. This to me looks like it's gonna be a Yeah, it's not bad. It's pretty, yeah, it's like right there, like the 90s. Huh. Hmm. Should probably look on. Oh, wow. Wow, this really tanked today, right? I'm out of plug. I have 600 shares in that. Hmm. I could go all the way down to the 80s. Oh, that's what I want. I haven't said long until October. October, November. That was the top, huh? I had that back here. Hmm. A little higher, and it closed above it. Hmm. I mean, it could go down to 86, right? That's a lot of volume. Hmm. Hmm. All right, guys. I am about um yeah, about an hour. Oh yeah, there it is. Right. Oh, what did I say here? Damn. Could have got 30 points or 60 points. Wow. Now on this, uh, mm, let's go above that now. What are the EMAs doing? No. Mm, still, no. 21, 14, 9, and this should be 50. Yeah, I should do a 200 as well. Where's the 200? EMA, red, 200. Wow. Let's see. Let's see where the 200 is. Where is the 200 EMA? Oh. EMA, red. Huh. Hmm. All right, I'm gonna end this at 1 hour. Let's see here. Now it is above. I have manipulation between 1 and 2. Let's see. Between 1 and 2. It's hitting the 15. It's 15. So close to getting that, huh? All right. If there's no one else here, I'm going to end it. Hope I added some value. Please like, comment, and share. It's cool. I like this. Yeah, this looks like they have to use the bathroom. All right.